In today's fast-paced world, automobiles have become more than just a means of transportation. They are a significant part of personal finance. The decision to purchase a car involves more than just choosing a model and color. It requires careful financial planning. Understanding how car ownership fits into your overall financial picture is crucial to making informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. When considering the purchase of a vehicle, it's important to look beyond the sticker price. The true cost of car ownership includes insurance, maintenance, fuel, and unexpected repairs, which can add up quickly. Additionally, factors such as registration fees and taxes can significantly affect the overall expenditure, making it essential to budget for these recurring costs. Financing a vehicle is another critical aspect that requires thoughtful consideration. Options such as loans, leases, and even paying in cash each have their own advantages and disadvantages. Evaluating interest rates, loan terms, and monthly payments can help determine the best financing option that suits your financial situation. Depreciation is a major factor that impacts the value of a car over time. Unlike other investments, cars typically lose value as soon as they are driven off the lot. Understanding how depreciation affects your vehicle's worth can help you make better decisions about when to buy or sell a car and how to minimize losses. The decision to lease or buy a car comes with its own set of financial implications. Leasing may offer lower monthly payments and the chance to drive a new car every few years, but buying a car can be more cost-effective in the long run. Weighing the pros and cons of each option can help you decide which is the best fit for your lifestyle and financial goals. To make smart, automotive financial decisions, it's important to do thorough research and planning. Setting a realistic budget, understanding your financing options, and considering the long-term costs of ownership can lead to more informed choices. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your car purchase supports your financial well-being rather than hindering it.